Yeah, we believe the rice demand continues to be strong. If you look at the domestic market, our volumes in this market grew by 19% on a year-on-year basis. If you look at our export volumes, they grew by 11%. So we believe the healthiest sign of the market is volume demand, which continues to be strong. As far as prices are concerned, prices on a year-on-year basis have been up, we believe, since January of this year. In the recent month or so, prices have gone up further, which I understand market is reacting to possible production concerns in some of the East Asian countries, namely Vietnam and Thailand. So with strong demand and stable prices, I think it bodes well from a revenue point of view.
What about supply? I mean, you're talking about what's happening in Thailand and in Vietnam. The picture there looks reasonably grim. India's picture also looking reasonably grim in terms of supply. How do you see that going forward, particularly in the context of El Nino coming up at the beginning of next year? Do you see a path from here where we begin to see some real pain in the rice market?
Yeah. So, just to cut through this, if you look at the global forecast right now, and, the forecast done by the US Department of Agriculture. So as per them, the world as a whole produced about 513 million tons of rice in agricultural year 22-23. And their forecast for the current year is that number to go up to about 520 million tons. So, I mean, if you believe the forecast, there should be no overall supply constraints. But yes, in the short term, the factors that you mentioned are coming into play, especially in East Asian countries. Now, as far as India is concerned, the early indicator that is usually tracked is the quantum of area that's been sown with rice. So when we looked at the numbers last, which was recently released by the government of India, the area sown with rice is up around 3 to 4% over last year. So if all goes well, we should see a normal crop. So in balance, we are seeing an overall picture at the world level actually being better than last year. However, in short term, we are seeing concerns probably because of El Nino in some East Asian markets. While in India, it's too early to tell, but the early indicators look good.